If neck pain is making it hard for you to sleep, drive, or simply work at the computer, I'm running a workshop that I think you might want to come to. Neck pain might be common, but it's not normal to live with. And most people live with it just feeling very uncomfortable, but they get comfortable with feeling uncomfortable and they don't even realize how bad it's been until one day it's so painful you can't even turn in bed, you can't even turn your head when you're driving. Sitting at the computer to work has become so uncomfortable, it's a nightmare. If that's you, come to my free workshop. It's great for someone who's tried other things like massages, chiropractic, or even other therapies, but still are feeling stiff and painful. You'll leave learning where your neck pain is really coming from and what you can do to fix it naturally. Otherwise, doctors are gonna offer you pills, injections, and worst case scenario, surgery, where they'll just want to fuse everything together. So if you're someone who's looking to get rid of their neck pain more naturally and figure out where is it coming from, what to do so that you don't have to live in an uncomfortable state, in a painful state all the time, I look forward to seeing you at our workshop.